Hey everyone, welcome to KAL Moto. Today we are upgrading the LED on my KYMCO Spade 150 with a new LED bulb. I'll show you how to disconnect the battery, remove the old bulb and install the new LED and test it at night. Stick around and see how much brighter and better it looks. Let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome to KAL Moto. Join me for DIY installs, mods and rear lights. Ride, mod, repeat. Let's dive into the video. This is my KYMCO Spade bike. So I'm gonna upgrade a new LED to this motorcycle today. So guys, let me remove our side panel first. The thing why I removed this, because you guys can see the battery here. Before starting any wiring work, make sure to disconnect the battery negative terminal. This safety step to avoid accidental short circuits or sparks, So let's remove our battery negative terminal quickly. All right, here we go. Perfect. Now let's remove the old headlight. This is similar to our headlight. You guys can see this is brand new, and this is our old halogen, and this is LED. So let's remove this. All right, for this I'm using a Phillips screwdriver, and alright guys, now I'm taking off the retaining ring. This holds the headlight lens securely in the bucket. Here we go guys, hope you guys can see it. So you guys can see this is the area where we fit our new LED. You guys can see clearly this one has like plug and play, so we just have to remove this. Yes. Alright guys, let's disconnect the LED bulb connector. Do this carefully, it's too tight. Alright, here we go. So this is our halogen. You can see the bulb inside. This is the halogen bulb. So this is how it looks in the back side. I hope you guys can see. So this is like, that's what I was saying, the plug and play. So now this is the pin that holds the bulb, how it looks, and this is the bulb. Now this is the critical step. You can see the pins, these are the locks. We have to remove very carefully. This metal, this is the metals. For some bikes or motorcycles, they have the plastic one, so be careful while you're doing this part. So what we're gonna do is, we need a screwdriver quickly, and just carefully pull that up. Be careful. I know it sounds weird, but sorry about that. So this is how the pin looks. Carefully keep aside. There are 2 more pins to go here. 1 more, and the final one. You guys can see it came out perfectly. Here we go. Alright guys, let's get our new LED. So this is our new LED. Make sure we're gonna remove the new wrap. It's time for us to put the pin back. So these are like similar to all motor companies like Honda, Suzuki. Most of the lights are having these pins. So I'm not sure. If anything, please comment down. I appreciate that. So let's fix it. All right. So we have to put this upside down, so these things gonna lock here like this. As you guys can see what I'm doing here, I'm just locking the pin inside. Watch out my finger carefully. You see the click sound? Yeah, that means it's a perfect fit. Those pins perfectly. Right, now it's time for us to plug in or plug it. Alright, watch it. Now alright, it's time for us to replace our negative terminal back. Put our panel back. Here we go, guys. Let's do a final test. Alright, so let's turn on our ignition. Okay, see, it's in a low beam. Alright, so currently you can see the round LED with the low beam relights, and let's turn on the high beam. Now let's see what's the difference. So all the lights are on, including the middle bulb. That's cool. Let's test the pass. Okay, cool. Now it's in a low beam. I'm gonna test the pass now. Right, guys, let me just turn off my light. Let's test in the dark. Here we go. Low beam, high beam, pass. This is the pass. Oh, really bright compared to my old halogen. It's so nice. Alright guys, you guys can see, so nice. It's perfect fit, looks good. And now the switch. Alright, let's turn on the bike.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching KAL Moto, ride, mod and repeat. Please like and subscribe for more DIY vlogs and future videos. Your support means a lot. And for more updates, follow us on social media. Thank you. God bless everyone. Ride, mod, repeat.